This is the JBL Tune 510BT. These are wireless on-ear headphones from JBL that are known for their exceptional value. So it comes packing with features you usually see in those expensive headphones, but these are of course budget friendly. Let's talk about the weight. It just weighs in 160 grams. That's super lightweight, and look at how stretchable this is. So you could be listening to music for a few hours and you would not get any head fatigue. I can promise you that. Honestly, a few minutes of use, you'll even forget you have a headset on. Let's crack open the box and see what's inside. We have the JBL Tune 510BT headphones, of course, and an orange USB-C charging cable. Now, design-wise, JBL has kept things clean and classic. They look very sleek, lightweight, and surprisingly premium looking for all plastic construction. The ear cups are soft and cushioned, and you've also got a little bit of a padding on the headband. So it feels nice and soft over your ears and then on top of your head as well. The headband adjusts to fit any head size, and the foldable design makes it super portable and easy to carry around while traveling. Plus, this comes in 4 different color options: black, blue, white, and rose. Now get ready for this: up to 40 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's an insane battery life for such an affordable pair of headphones. And it takes roughly 2 hours to fully charge the battery, and if you're in a rush, a quick 5 minute of charge would give you 2 hours of battery life. You get JBL's signature pure bass sound, so expect deep, powerful bass that doesn't really overpower the rest of the music. You can hear the vocals and instruments, the mids and the highs very clearly as well, but it's definitely punchy when it comes to those lower frequencies. Also, sound leakage is very minimal, so if you have a person sitting next to you, they would hear very little of what you're listening to. Now, no fancy touch controls here, just simple physical buttons on the right ear cup, a power button to turn it on or off. You've got the plus and minus buttons to adjust the volume. You can hold either button for 2 seconds to skip tracks as well. So to skip a song, just press the volume up button for 2 seconds, or to start a song over or go back to the previous track, you can press the volume down button for a couple of seconds. This is a multifunction button, so double press it to activate your phone voice assistant. It also acts as a play and a pause button. You can answer a phone call or hang up on a call by just pressing once, or press and hold for 2 seconds to decline calls or mute your microphone. With a little practice, you'll be controlling your music and calls like a pro without even looking. And finally, to recharge the battery, we have the USB Type-C port on top of the right ear cup, completely hidden. This is a great headset for the gym. Many people, they don't like to use earbuds because they keep falling off. They don't stay in their ears. The 510BTs would absolutely stay whether you are running on a treadmill or doing anything else, and they also won't draw too much of an attention compared to those bulkier over-ear headphones. Now guys, to sum it up, for the price, I think the JBL Tune 510BTs are an absolute steal. They deliver fantastic sound, comfortable fit, long battery life, built-in microphone, easy to use controls as I explained earlier. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting to work, or just relaxing at home listening to an audiobook maybe, these headphones are a fantastic choice.